करचें कोस्टल होमस्टे हिप्पी एराच्यान हांगा आयिल्लो सो दीस इज अ डिफरंट वे ऑफ लुकींग एट हें अशें जर करना जाल्यार ताका सोल्युशन कितें आहा त्या लोकांक आमी त्रासान घालप उगीच बोवाळ मारून तशें जायना न्ही तें.
So what are the issues you think remained to be discussed?
Many issues remain to be discussed. Many issues remain.
Could you name some which are very
See,
critical?
I've tried to summarize most of the issues that have whose grievances I've heard in the reply to the governor's address or the amendments that I made to the motion of thanks of the governor's address. I'm quite sure that I've tried to touch most of the issues. Touching most of the issues has not been getting solutions to them. Many times people tend to appreciate us for speaking out loud in the assembly. Speaking out loud is one thing. Getting solution to what you have spoken is taking it to the last mile. So that last mile connectivity when it comes to people's aspirations and their grievances needs to be done with a follow-up. This follow-up can be done subsequently. I have raised issues does not mean I've got solution to all these issues, which is what I'm not happy about. But that required more time. For that to require more time, the seriousness of the house. See, I have issues. There many a times some things are happening where the house rules are being broken by the people who are supposed to protect the rules. Many a times it happens. Even today one thing has happened. The session is over. I don't want to. It was a major mistake. पण जाता तेजे कोण थंय पॉयंट आउट करना कोण लेजिस्लेटीव असेंब्लीचें सेशन सिरियसली घेना म्हळ्यार चड जाण घेनात हे आजी म्हाका खंत जाता कित्याक अशें न्ही की असेंब्लीचें सेशन फक्त आमी घेवप हांव घरा कडेन रावनासतना हांगा फ्लॅटान रावन तें शिकता हें आमचेंच काम न्ही तें सगळ्यांनी करूंक जाता आनी गव्हर्मेंटान हें सेशन मातशें सिरियस घेवन गव्हर्मेंटाचे मिनिस्टर ते फोनार उलयतात सिरियस ना आन्सर दिता ते कितें दिता तें खबर ना भितरल्यान आन्सरां येता काल मुख्यमंत्र्यान म्हाका सांगलें की स्लायट मिस्टेक जाल्या म्हणून स्लायट मिस्टेक कितें 3,000 कोटीची आय सेड 1 lakh इट वॉज 97,000 बट इट इज 3,000 crores not 3,000 rupees you understood so that it is not his fault see he is not a man of finance I am not a man of finance we have to come with our figures nobody is what they are seeking. Everybody may say that I know this. Every day is a learning experience, but you have to have a good people advising you. Have to take this thing seriously. Many other times the people are not taking it seriously. The laws have to be followed. The rules of conduct and procedure have to be followed. It is not being followed. Many times this is happening. So I think the session should become more, and the committees of the house. I think Speaker is going to declare the committees. आमकां तातूंत ते घालनात हांवें एक बजेट कमिटी जशी इलास्टिकिटी बांदून ओडून काडली की बजेट कमिटीचे आनी फुडें म्हाका कसलेच कमिटीन घालूंक ना आय डोंट नो वेदर दे पुट मी नाव जावपाचें आहा आमचें वचपाक जाय कार्निवल स्टार्ट जावचे पयलीं घरा पळोवन
Ram Rajya comment also raised.
Ram Rajya, that's the way it is. Ram Rajya is a welfare state. Everybody welcomes you. Ram Mandir प्रतिष्ठापना झालं.
It did not go down well for the government.
I don't know why it should not go down. Government cannot target anybody by saying that this should not be done. Secondly, why should the government want a holiday? खंयच्या कॉन्सेप्टान राम मंदिर सुरवात जालें तो दीस सुटी करप पूण कशी जाता सो इट इज द एब्सर्डिटी ऑफ द प्रायवेट मेंबर रेजोल्यूशन इटसेल्फ which I pointed out. Being a Hindu, people would have felt that ते करप म्हळ्यार रामाचे विरुद्ध जालें म्हणून हांवें हाडलें सो आय गॉट द मोरल रायट टू से that what you are doing is wrong and what I did was right and you didn't support me.
You stand by it.
And you didn't support me. The BJP, which suddenly has become a party in the Legislative Assembly of Ram Bhakts, did not support me for a Ram holiday. And now I want a holiday for 22 January.
तुमचं राम आणि त्यांचं वेगळं
ना सगळ्यांचो राम एक तो सांगला म्हाका हरामानूय राम आहा तांचे भितर हरामी आहा जे देवाक फुटून गेल्ले आहा पूण तांचे भितर राम आहा
आतां इतलो रुमर जाल्लो फाटल्या दिसांनी तूं बीजेपीन वचपाचो असो तुका बीजेपीन केन्ना ऑफर केला येता बगाय म्हणून
कसलेच टॉक जावंक ना पूण तुका तो रुमर खरो दिसता
ना
तुका खरो दिसता जाल्यार तूं चिंत
इन पॉलिटिक्स
कसलोच
ना ह्या हितून तुका कितें रातयानूच बा जाता न्हू.
पूण तसो हांव पळय नॉर्मली रातयां करपी मनीस न्ही, हांव सकाळीं करपी मनीस. रातयां करून रातयां कोण आनी कित्याक कारणां खातीर करता, हांव सकाळीं फुडें करपी कितें करता तें एक जालें. दुसरें की कसलेंच डिस्कशन तें ह्या हातून केन्नाच जावना. सरकाराची एक स्ट्रॅटेजी की जो मनीस चड उलयता ताका आपण तो उलयतनाच सांगप की बाबा हो येवपाचो आहा म्हणून मागीर लोक आनी कितें पीपल हॅव ऑलरेडी लॉस्ट फेथ इन लेजिस्लेटीव डेमोक्रेसी. तें करूंक ते सोदतात, तांणी केलें म्हणून वायट न्ही. जेन्ना ओपोजिशन पार्टीज ज्यो आसात त्योय बी हे रुमरांक फ्युएल करतात तेन्ना हे पार्टीचे चुकता. बीजेपी करता म्हणून म्हाका वायट दिसना, बीजेपीन हें करपूच. बीजेपी आमचें नांव पेड्यार करूंक सोदताले, कित्याक करप न्ही? आमी तांकां क्रिटिकल, ताणें आमचें नांव करप. पूण जेन्ना दुसऱ्यो पार्टी हू आर सपोजिटली मेंट टू बी इन द ओपोजिशन दे ऑल्सो से ना आतां विजय वचपाचो आहा. अरे हांव जर प्रायम मिनिस्टराचे मिटिंगेक गेलो ते म्हणपाचें त्या दिसा हांव जॉयन जावपाक गेलो, काँग्रेसीचो आमदार प्रायम मिनिस्टर रिसीव करपाक गेलो, तो कितें करूंक गेलो, कोण ताजें उलयना. आमी गेल्यार तें उलोवप जाता. बरें आहा, देव आमकां इतलें इम्पॉर्टन्स दिता, लोक दिता म्हणून देवाकूय थँक्यू म्हणून.